Hey, what's up? Today I'm going to talk to you about some of the perks of boondocking here in Cheryl's mom's backyard.
From Sarnia, Ontario.
The first perk is that it is a nice big fenced-in backyard. Thus we don't have to put the leashes on the dogs. And it's free! A nice large deck for us to have bigly dinners with friends and family. And this nice covered area. Full-size barbecue. And of course she's a Coleman. A full-size kitchen for Cheryl to bake some goodies. Banana bread. Cheryl made this. And air conditioning. Oh, cool air. Why would you shut off? I was just enjoying the cool air. One of the downsides is we have no sewer connection here. So they try to limit the use of me. One of the main perks is obvious. Full-size shower, unlimited hot water, and great pressure. Excuse me for a second. So obviously we haven't used our shower in a bit, or had a chance to use the new washing machine, because we have use of this washer and dryer here in the house, full size. How about the driveway? It's big enough for my car and our truck. Did I mention the fire pit? How did I not mention the fire pit? The neighbor's a sweet lady and has a pool, and we're allowed to use it anytime we want. So. Oh, swimming. And that's going to do it for today's video on Mooch-Docking. Thank you to Cheryl's mom for letting us stay here. And if you're new to the channel, we got a lot of videos, so check us out at littletrailerbigadventures.com. Feel free to leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching. Bye for now. One, two, three, four, pressure! Thanks for watching. Bye for now.